Hello everyone. So I recently came across a product called Organics Oregano Black Seed Oil, and it's being marketed as powerful root cause solution for chronic inflammation. So they claim it to repair your body from within, supporting your veins, skin, immune system, and breathing by delivering active compounds directly into your bloodstream. But here's the truth: the organics is a scam. This claims to be exaggerated and don't match how the body actually works. So before I continue, so a quick disclaimer. So this video is only for educational purpose and I'm just trying to be informative. So what that is, so there is no clinical evidence proving that the product can do any of that it claims to do. So there are just no scientific sounding buzzwords used to make it look advanced. Now the results, they promise you to feel better and provides you wins and 2 3 weeks improvements in 4 to 8 weeks. So that's unrealistic. So chronic inflammation is an internal damage and don't get fixed that easily. So if you think that it fixes your internal immune system or your chronic inflammation from within in such a very short period of time, then you might be in a trauma. So you must keep in work. So it's unrealistic. So um, now the marketing, they use urgency like information spreads deeper every day and even claim detox symptoms like headaches or fatigue mean product is working. This is a common tactic to turn side effects into something positive. So they're also like pursuing the customers through that way. So now the reviews. So if you go to the reviews, man, the reviews, they claim to be so the reviews, they claim to be like they have been doing a lot through the reviews, but there are thousands of reviews that are a 5 star and seems to be like the most better product in this line. But the fact is, it is not genuine. So thousands of those reviews, which are already um they are from AI or like character generated, so they are not considered genuine. So they also product through like Alibaba, and they provide you the same copy product in cheap price. So here you can see you can find different products of the same name or the same type in very cheaper price, and they sell it to you in a very cheap price. So Orgetics therefore doesn't seem to be that genuine. So if you go to reviews as well, so some products, they have got good reviews in Orgetics, but the organic oil, they have got like fake reviews, and then more the reviews they claim are seem to be AI generated and doesn't work as much. So in the most trusted platform, the Trustpilot, also the Orgetics has got a significantly low customer reviews, and then it doesn't really repair your body or deliver the result it promises. So if you buy expecting that, you likely be are prone to be disappointed. So if you've seen this product or tried it, drop your experience in the comments. So this was for the video basically. Hope you got it. Thank you.